Okay, everyone kindly read. Two types of rice. Plain rice and daing na bangus. That include fish. Okay, first step. Ilan yung choices niya? Sa rice. Dalawa. So we have plain and garlic. Tapos sa dish, tatlo. Ano po yun? Daing na bangus, tinola, and sinigang na isda. So dito, tatlo naman po. Pero dahil dalawa na yung outcome natin dito, sulat mo ng 2 beses po. Yan. Then after that, i-combine na po natin. So first, we have plain rice, daing na bangus. Ito yung outcome niya. Next, we have plain rice, tinola. Plain rice, sinigang na isda. So after nyo, dito na tayo. Garlic, daing na bangus. Garlic, tinola. Garlic, sinigang na isda. After that, nakuha na natin lahat ng possible outcomes. So kunin na natin anak N of S. Ilan po yung naging outcome niya? Total, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is N of S. Now, what is N of E? Anong hinihingi? Kailangan daw yung meal na may isda. Ano ba yung isdang binanggit? Daing na bangus at? Okay. Ito po ba ay daing na bangus? Lahat ng may D. 1, 2. Ano yung sinigang? S. 3, 4. So, therefore, N of E is 4. Now, what do you think will be the probability? 4 over 6. Lowest term? Okay, very good. 2/3 or 2 over 3. And the equivalent of 2 over 3 is what? Okay, very good. 0.666 or just simply 0.67. Okay, in percent, 67%.